the U.S. Attorney for the District of Nevada. This is Sigal Shatta, the top federal prosecutor in the state. That means she decides which federal crimes get prosecuted. She represents the United States in court, and she works with the FBI, DEA, and Homeland Security to enforce federal law. In other words, she has the power to ruin someone's life with a single decision, or let the powerful walk free. But here's the problem. Sigal Shatta isn't just another prosecutor. She's made violent, racially charged comments, including saying Nevada's Black Attorney General, Aaron Ford, should be hanging from a fucking crane. That's not just unprofessional, that's dangerous rhetoric coming from the state's highest federal law enforcement officer. And here's how she even got this job and kept it. Shatta was appointed as interim U.S. Attorney, which by law only lasts for 120 days. After that, the Senate is supposed to decide whether or not she stays. That's the constitutional advise and consent process. But when her 120 days ran out, this guy's administration didn't send her nomination to the Senate. Instead, they used something called the Vacancies Reform Act, a law meant for temporary emergencies when a position becomes vacant. The law lets the president put someone in as acting, but it's supposed to be short-term while they wait for Senate confirmation. In Shatta's case, Trump used it like a cheat code, reclassifying her as acting U.S. attorney even though her term expired, which gave her up to 210 more days of power without Senate approval. Legal scholars say that's bending the law's intent, turning a temporary emergency measure into a way to sidestep the Constitution. And this isn't just theoretical. Over 100 retired judges have warned that she is unfit for the job. Nevada's own senators, Catherine Cortez Masto and Jackie Rosen, both said that she is a threat to the rule of law. So ask yourself, with this much unchecked power, a history of extreme violent rhetoric, and a partisan appointment that sidestepped our democracy, how safe is Nevada with Sigal Shatta as its top prosecutor?